Okay, kill the spider. Don't start a fire. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Tree Man TV, and today we have got a pretty special video planned for you. I am going to be heading over to Uncle Jules' house, but not to work on the Subaru. Today we're actually going to be doing something to my PC right here next to me. We are going to be taking this 3-pack of Corsair LL120 RGB fans and installing them into my case, along with the Lighting Node Pro, whatever, and the fan hub that I need, because I actually have 2 RGB fans in my case right now that just don't light up because I don't have the fan hub. And I didn't realize that when I built the case. Somehow it was a huge oversight when it came to aesthetics. But now we're just going to rip those 2 fans out, replace them with 3 of these LL fans like I was saying, and also move the radiator from the top to the front. That way you can see all the light just kind of cascade down from the fans. So let's roll the intro, and I will see you guys over at Julian's house.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high.
Alright, so what are you doing to my radiator there?
We're radiating it.
We're radiating the radiator?
Yeah.
Or we're water cooling the radiator. You gotta water cool your water.
Yeah, no, we're putting this in your Subi.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, this is the new...
It'll replace my radiator that dude backed into?
This is the new smaller condensed radiator, hypercooling.
Well, I mean, the computer was already like a Subaru, and it had top mount cooling, and now it's gonna go front mount.
There you go.
So,
it's gonna go multi-mount.
Multi-mount. Building boost?
Building boost.
Oh, look at that fan go. That radiator looks dirty. Well, if the fans didn't move, they wouldn't cool very well.
You just use dry ice.
Dry ice and liquid nitrogen?
Yep. Just set a cube of dry ice right there.
Where, right there?
Yeah, right there. Just set a cube.
Right in front of the hard drives tray? Okay.
Just keep everything nice and cold. Alright. So let's get these out of the way.
And these are the new ones going in. Corsair's LL series 120s. If you come around the back side of the PC, you can see we've got the fan controller and the Lighting Node Pro installed. We're just hooking everything up, connecting the two to each other now. Bam, look at that. That precise work. Which channel did you pick?
1.
Smart man. Why would we need to be on channel 2?
Well, really no point.
Right? It's like we have multiple things.
Yeah.
Just some of the sexy fans. Go for it.
Power.
Ah! I fell. Oh yeah, look at those things light up. Whoa, hang on.
Plug them in.
I was gonna say those aren't spinning now.
It's alright. We can fix that.
Okay, kill the spider. Don't start a fire. Oh god, did it get away? Where? Where'd it go? Right there. Oh, I think you got it. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. Spider down.
That's why I stopped working on computers. I mean, it's impossible to keep up with them. It really is.
Oh yeah, the curve of technology is like a 90-degree mountain.
Yeah.
There'll always be something newer. But how did it feel to work on a computer for the first time in a while?
Felt normal.
Felt normal?
Yeah, felt normal. I know my way around the computer pretty much. I just don't ever tear into them that often anymore.
Would you say you're more comfortable doing that or working on these? Because clearly you're like me and you just like tearing stuff apart.
You know, it's kind of an equal balance, just because I'm so used to it. It's kind of like riding a bicycle. You know, once you start tearing into it, it's like, oh yeah, I remember this shit.
Plug and play.
Plug, play, make sure you get lots of static and touch everything.
Yes.
That's the key thing.
Can we get that to communicate with the car, though, at all? Is that a thing?
You know, it's called a Tesla.
Oh. Okay. Elon, hit us up. Alright, you guys, so for the last part of the video here, I was at home testing out some of the different lighting modes you have in IQ, which is Corsair's software that lets you customize all of your different RGB lights, whether they be the fans like these LLs, you can see I'm going through different ones here on, or even my K95 Platinum keyboard, which is how I already knew how to use Corsair's IQ a little bit. And last but not least, of course, I'm going to show you the RGB unicorn puke right up in close view so you can get a real good look at it. But after this, there's something I learned, which is that like your profiles you save in IQ, you can access them on the keyboard. I already knew that, but what I didn't know is it wouldn't change just my keyboard's profile, but it will also change the profile of the lights in the PC. As you can see right here, I'm just simply clicking the button on my keyboard, and that's what's changing the lighting, so that's pretty cool. Anyways, you guys, if you enjoyed this, be sure to smash the like button, and until next time, this is Tree Man signing off. Peace out.